Aloha, and thank you for booking your Nepali Coast expedition with Captain Andes. Your adventure is coming up soon. We're excited to have you on board, and we'd like to take a moment to share with you what to expect.
Check-in begins 30 minutes prior to your scheduled departure here at Kiki'aola Harbor.
To speed up your check-in time, we recommend filling out the waiver you received with your reservation confirmation ahead of time. For the safety of everyone, masks are required to be worn by all guests during your experience with Captain Andes, even if you've been vaccinated.
Hey, no, be late. You don't want to miss your boat. Better be early than late like this couple.
Wait for us! No, don't leave! Come back!
It's always barefoot cruising in Hawaii. We'll store your shoes in a designated dry bag and give them back to you at the end of the tour. No trading up!
Be sure to wear a swimsuit, bring a towel, cover-up, and sunscreen. If you've ever experienced motion sickness in the past, it's a good idea to take preventative medication.
And remember, a mask is required for your voyage.
Snorkeling is weather permitting based on the clarity of the water and the surface conditions. Remember, snorkeling is the most dangerous activity you will do while on vacation. It may not be for everybody. You know your abilities. If we cannot snorkel due to conditions, we will spend more time doing fun stuff like searching for marine life.
It's winter in Hawaii and the ocean conditions change minute by minute. Your captains will wake up early and check the weather and compare reports from fellow mariners. Your destination will be determined 45 minutes prior to departure.
Occasionally, the wind and seas can be way too much for the Nepali coastline. If that is the case, we can head out to calmer waters.
We'll let you know at check-in. We'll have lots of great places to go with calmer water, stunning scenery, active marine life, and amazing snorkeling. If we change the direction of the tour due to weather conditions, the decision to join us will be completely up to you. We'd love to have you on board, and we look forward to seeing you.
Aloha!